kids! Today we're learning about 15 farm animals and the sound that they make. First up is the cow. Did you know cows have best friends and get stressed when separated from them? Next up, chickens! Did you know chickens can remember over 100 different faces of people or animals? Next up, we have pigs. Pigs are excellent swimmers and can often be seen enjoying a good mud bath. Next up, we have sheep. Did you know sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 different sheep and humans for years? Next up, we have goats. Did you know goats have rectangular pupils, giving them wide-angle vision to spot predators? Next up, we have horses. Did you know horses can sleep both standing up and lying down? Next up, we have ducks. A duck's quack doesn't echo, and scientists are still not sure why. Next up, we have the turkey. Did you know male turkeys can change the color of their heads to express their emotions? Next up, we have the rabbits. Did you know rabbits' teeth never stop growing, so they constantly gnaw on things to keep them trimmed? Next up, we have the donkey. Did you know donkeys have incredible memories and can remember places and other donkeys from 25 years ago? Next up, we have the goose. Did you know geese are loyal and mate for life, often staying with their partner year-round? Next up, we have alpacas. Did you know alpacas communicate by humming, especially to express curiosity or contentment? Next up, we have llamas. Did you know llamas will spit at each other, or sometimes humans, to show dominance or annoyance? Next up, we have cats. Did you know? Farm cats are often kept to control rodent populations, and they are excellent hunters. Next up, we have sheepdogs. Did you know sheepdogs are so intelligent they can learn over 50 different commands? Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more learning adventures. And don't forget to like and subscribe.